I've actually got a couple different options. I've got the 54 also, but best I remember the 54 and the 64 right there are exactly the same belt routing, just the belt itself is different length. And I primarily run the 54. I like it a little better because the dead learn thing will take a lot more grass without choking out. This one's had a pulley swap. But yeah, the belt diagram is exactly the same for it. All right, so after getting this massive amount of grass clippings that shouldn't have been in there because those panels are supposed to stop that, they don't. We're gonna start here at the gearbox. You will have to undo both of these bolts and just kind of raise this up so you can get your belt right there around this pulley. And as soon as you get that belt around that pulley, put the 2 bolts back in, tighten it up. You shouldn't ever have to raise this back up again. But we'll start back to front. So this one runs all the way around the outside pulley, and then from there runs right under this lip to this pulley. Then it goes from this pulley to this idler right here that's under this plate, goes around this discharge side pulley, and then it comes up and around, and this is your tensioner. So you got a bolt here. Sometimes it's just a regular bolt, sometimes it's a carriage bolt. Shoot, I've even seen toilet flange bolts for this. So you got your bolt here on this little L bracket that this pulley is attached to. And on the other side over here, you've got your nut on the end of the bolt. And what that does is when you tighten it, it draws the pulley to make the belt tighter. And really, honestly, these belts don't have to be super, super tight. I mean, I've got quite a bit of deflection in it. And it's not gonna be long before I change this one out. It's got some issues. But I hope that will answer your question. And maybe you can hit the pause button and see how the belt's routed there.